Okay, so I bought a different thing to polish with. I've been polishing with a regular angle grinder, but it spins way too fast to get a decent job, so finally I decided I would get the real thing here. I haven't opened this up yet, so we'll go through and see what's in. This is DeWalt DWP849X. I believe X is the newer model. Then the old one would be DWP849. So now this is more of something you use for paint polishing rather than aluminum, but a lot of guys use them for aluminum. They come with buffing wheels for paint, but it has a threaded stub that'll work fine to put your adapter on to mount buffing wheels. So this is just a simple manual here, probably in English, French, and Spanish, but I don't see the point of that really. Now this is the your two options for handle mount is to use either this, which pinches the head like so, or your standard, just your standard grip. So here's the actual polisher itself. It's basically, if you've seen an angle grinder, you know exactly what this is. The only thing you'll notice is different is this speed wheel, which goes from 600 up to 3,500 in 400 RPM increments. Well, actually 200, because there's halfway spots between the slots. And this is also variable speed trigger, which most angle grinders, this would just be on and off. So that's kind of what makes this thing polisher, is it's low speed, and it also maintains speed under load, which most angle grinders, of course, you just bog them out. It also has a rubber nose piece on here to keep you from scratching if you ever just touch the head of the polisher against the paint or aluminum. They can scratch pretty badly, so it's a nice little thing to have there. This is a regular 5/8 threaded stud, and I don't believe it comes with anything that'll let you convert it to an angle grinder. It doesn't have the centering wheel or the back plate, which you would have on a normal grinder. It just comes with this Velcro wheel here. It does not come with buffing pads. It just comes with the Velcro wheel. So I won't be using this. I'll be threading my stud on for buffing wheels for aluminum. And then this, I might get some for it later on if I ever want to do paint. The lock's right in the back here, works the same as your typical grinder would. So it's a quick overview. It has filters on here too. Most grinders don't have filters here, they would just have the slots. But this has a fine steel mesh filter. It takes, what is that, a Torx or a flat to remove that, and then you can clean those filters. You can't twist the handle, but I'm not the type of guy that would usually turn the handle 90 degrees. There is a trigger lock, which I never use anyway, because that's pretty dangerous, especially with buffing. So it's also quite light, which is nice. I'll do another part, or part 2, once I get my polishing stuff mounted, and try it out, give it a run, and tell you what I think about it later. Thanks for watching.